So you guys, my school is really, really stressing me. Like the stress is just so much. So we resumed January 2025, and normally just go back to your hostel, only for my school to bring out a new hostel rule that we had to transfer hostel. You guys are also angry, honestly, because the stress of packing and unpacking is so annoying. And not even that, I've already spent so much money on carpenter, making sure that my previous room was comfortable. Now I have to move to a new room. So when the new room came out and the whole list, we found out our room, and I didn't like this space because it was kind of dirty from the previous persons who have used it. So we had to spend another set of money to make it comfortable to our various desks, myself and my roommate. So we could not go to church on Sunday. I had to stay out to wash while the carpenter was still inside the room working. I'm telling you, we had to call this carpenter very early. We fought for this carpenter because everybody in the hostel was using the carpenter for like one, two, and then that fix wardrobes, locker, bookshelf. Like there was just a lot. So I could not do anything. And the stress of packing from another room to another, I realized that a lot of my stuff got stained. So I was washing. And my roommate stylishly added her clothes to it. So I didn't notice until when I was already putting them inside the water. What can I do? I just had to help her to wash it. So like we had a lot of things to wash. If you notice the environment around, it looks dirty because a lot of packing, washing, cleaning took place Saturday and Sunday. Even this time I'm even washing was very, very early Sunday morning. Like very early. The way I'm washing these clothes, you think that I have 7 children under 10 years old, like just back to back clothes. There was just a lot to wash, and I use a lot of steps and procedure when I'm washing, from soaking to washing to soaking again, then to using a scenting liquid like this comfort to scent my clothes, to rinse it so it gives it a very good scent even when I don't use perfumes or any of those. My clothes will always scent nice. So it's to give this laundry kind of standard, you know. This washing was so easy for me because I was using the number one and only Viva, the Ogbonge detergent. Trust me, it really saved my life. Viva does the work for me. Once I put enough detergent, don't be stingy with Viva. Oh. Just put enough Viva detergent. Then once you are done, soak your clothes for a few minutes and then start washing. I was using Viva detergent and I was using Viva bar soap. So the collab was fast. It's this particular yellow bedsheet. I think my pen ink poured from my bag, my tote bag on my bed into my bed sheet. And this detergent did magic. Honest, I was already giving up on the bed sheet. I was like, now just straight away, I'll use it for something else. But the moment I just applied some Viva detergent on it and allowed it to sit in, scrub it, look how the ink was just coming out on its own. If I show you guys this bed sheet after it dried, you will not even believe that there was a big ink on that spot. Honestly, it really does the work and it makes washing easy for me because washing is my least favorite chore, but with Viva, it makes it very, very easy for me. Very easy. After washing and drying, mind you, I still had a lot of things to do inside the room. Like my whole space was scattered. I've even managed to arrange it small. So the things I could not wash and finish, you guys, I could not finish washing everything. So I had to go back and drop them. Then I went straight to arrange my space, like arrange my bed. Trust me, as I'm arranging all these things, my roommates were also arranging their own. So everybody was busy in the room. Like nobody was even talking to anybody because we were all tired and exhausted. So we're busy arranging. After arranging, I had to join the live session from CCI Celebration Church International. After the section, I slept a little and then I ate and headed to the market. I told you guys I'm going to start a business this year, and yeah, I'm so proud to announce to you all that I've started my business officially. So we went to the market, my roommate, aka my PA, we went went to the market and we went to get like things we're going to use to make small chops, from samosa to spring roll to puff puff and all those orishi wishi. I'm going to show you guys videos of like all the things I make and sell in school. So if you know someone from my school, if you know someone that is a student in Novena and they're looking for you to get the best small chops, give them my idea and to tell them to message me, and I promise I'm going to reply on time and my small chops are the very best. So after the market, we headed straight back to the hostel and rested because our body needed the rest. Thank you guys for watching. Do not to like, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think about my videos, the videos you want to see. Do you have a question to ask? Do you want to ask me in the comment section? Thank you so much, guys. Love you all.